Hey, how you doing? I'm glad you're here. This is Beck and Call, where we find the good stuff. I'm Sharon Farrell, and today's show we're going to show you how to make a wonderful chocolate smoothie with raw greens. You're gonna love it. It's wonderful. So I think the best way to show you is to just like have the camera people come into my home, because every morning I make one. So that's what I did. I called them up, they're coming in, and here's the result. Stay tuned.
It's funny. We're on time. She told us to be here. She did give me her key. Maybe she's in the shower or something.
Yeah. All right. Hi! You're here. Of course you're here. You're in my kitchen because I'm going to make a smoothie, and like this show is about making smoothies. So I'm glad you came to my kitchen this morning, and I'm here to show you that what I do. And I get up and I brush, well anyway, you know, I put my robe on and I get my machine. It's a great machine. It's a smoothie making machine, and you can get them in stores. This particular one, I don't know whether to say the brand because we're on television, you know, but look it up, Google it. Get one that has these really nice stick suction cups, because you just like boom, probably shook the camera there, huh? And then it doesn't move when you make your smoothie. So it comes with these cups. They're really great. I love them personally. And the cups I mean, I've been doing every day for 2 years. I've been making a smoothie, and look at this cup. It looks disgusting, but it's works great. And it comes with this other part with the blades and stuff. So yeah, so I put my ingredients in here, and we'll be showing you how to do that in a minute. To tell you what I'm going to use, what I use: bananas, ripe bananas, which these aren't, but they will be. Ripe banana. One ripe banana. I put in some greens after that. I usually use spinach because spinach is just, you know, it's kind of like tofu, you know, in that it doesn't have a lot of flavor. And so, you know, it just makes the smoothie consistently delicious in whatever flavors you add to it. You can get them in the store already pre-washed. It's just wonderful. I put raw green in there. You can get kale and other ones, you know, as well. Cucumber is wonderful. Anyway, today we're using banana, and this is a combination of spinach and kale and some water. Those three ingredients we'll put in first. We'll mix them up. Then we're going to add a couple things. Some sunflower seed butter. You can get really get the raw. If it has a little salt in it, that's okay. A little bit almond butter. You get raw, get creamy almond butter. I love putting those in. It's great. Sometimes if I need a little more sweetener, I add raw honey. If I want a little more flavor, I see what this is. This is ginger root. Oh, it's so great. We're not going to get into how to do that. It takes time. But then there's, hold on, one more thing. Yep, I'm coming. In the store, you can get frozen fruit. And I like to get the organic. And it's in the stores, and it lasts in the freezer. You can put that in for more sweetness, and it's fruit sweetness if you want. You can put, you know, more greens, whatever. And then you can add protein powder if you want to, whatever kind you like, which adds, you know, protein and some flavor, and also some texture to your smoothie. So that's about it. I can't